Hi everyone, and welcome to our last week of the course. And I have some important announcements before we conclude this course. So for this week, please read the last three chapters 26, 27, and 28. Make sure you watch Dr. T's lecture. Watch the other videos that are provided for this week. Make sure that you don't forget to post to the discussion board. And then last but not least, complete your critical assignment. On the critical assignment, I have a couple of reminders. So remember that for this assignment, you will select a program, service, or good that is currently being provided and produced by the public sector. Develop a 7 to 10 page paper. Okay, and I am not somebody that grades quantity, but certainly I look out for a paper that is appropriate as far as length. This paper needs to address the following questions. First one, how is government involved in the provision and or production of the program, good, or service? 2, why is government involved in the provision and or production of the program, good, or service? So for example, correcting a market failure or externalities. How would you categorize this good or service and why? How does government fund the good or service? Are there specific sources of revenue that are used to fund the good or service? And then lastly, which level of government provides and or produces this good or service? What roles do the different levels of government play in the provision and or production of this good or service? Remember that the paper should include a strong depth of economic theories and skillful application to the topic. You are required to use and incorporate the material that we discussed during these last 8 weeks. So the text, lectures, videos, and other research. You are to provide a minimum of 6 peer-reviewed journals and or contemporary sources. So you can use news articles or magazines, but please try and support your arguments with peer-reviewed journals as much as possible. Remember that the paper must contain a title page, a strong thesis paragraph, and a conclusion as far as a reference, and also a reference page, including the sources used to construct the assignment. Remember that the cover page and the reference page don't count towards the page requirement. The paper should utilize academic peer-reviewed journals, again, focusing on these economic theories that we talked about during these last 8 weeks. And then last but not least, make sure that you know that the paper must be prepared using APA format. And of course, last but certainly not least, I want to take a moment to thank everyone for a fantastic class. I've enjoyed reading your responses. I've enjoyed learning from your different experiences, and I wish everybody all the best going forward in your future courses here at Cal Baptist. And God bless and take care. Thank you very much.